So I see a lot of sneakers every day because, well, I buy and unbox sneakers for a daily vlog here on the channel. And it's rare that I get giddy and excited over shoes, but that has happened today. So this is the Adidas Ultra 4D. It's the combination of one of my favorite sneakers of all time, the Adidas Ultraboost, and one of the most frustrating sneakers of all time, which is the Adidas 4D. Hopefully, combined, they come up with something better, but we will be unboxing it, we will be putting it on feet, and we will be reviewing it for you guys today. Excited? I am. Let's go! By the way, before we get to this very special unboxing, in case you missed it, Adidas launched a revamped store over at Lazada Philippines. So they even have the new Ultraboost City Pack as well as the new Adidas Star Wars collaboration featuring the Ultraboost with Leia and Yoda, the Stan Smith with Luke, and I think there's like a Stormtrooper NMD. So if you guys are fans of Star Wars or if you want new Ultraboosts at great prices, check it out, the Adidas shop over at Lazada. I'll put links down below to some of the sneakers that I feel are good. I actually ended up buying the Adidas Star Wars Stan Smith Luke Skywalker shoe. So watch out for the unboxing of that when it arrives. But yeah, check it out, the Adidas shop over at Lazada. Let's jump right into it. So it comes in your typical Adidas 4D black box. The details of the shoe are written over here. I did go through to size. Shout out, by the way, to Good Souls PH for the hookup on this one. I wasn't able to get out of the house to buy it, but he was kind enough to get it for me when he was shopping for the shoe. It looks really nice. Guys, take a look at that absolutely stunning sneaker. Look-wise, I really am digging the shoe. It has a mysterious vibe to it. It's edgy, it's futuristic, it's slick. I mean, everything about the vibe of the sneaker for me is 2 thumbs up. If you're wondering about the design, they actually used, I think, the upper or the design of the OG Ultraboost. That's why you have this blue-like badge here at the heel. And of course, they used the 4D printed midsole over here in place of, well, the blue boost. That's why it's called the Ultra 4D and not the Ultra Boost anymore. If you take a look at the bottom, I'm not sure if this is still Continental. Doesn't look like it anymore, but you have this nice outsole at the bottom of the shoe. As for the upper, this is still the prime knit that we've all grown to love. A super comfortable, flexible, and breathable knit material. While style is very subjective, at least in my personal taste, I love it, I like it, looking forward to more designs, but the true test of any sneaker is how does it feel on feet, and that's what we'll be doing today. So I was able to put it on feet for, well, an hour or so just to get the feel and the vibe for the shoe. And unfortunately, guys, the 4D on this one sucks. So it's not as comfortable as we would want it to be. It kind of does injustice to the Ultra brand and to the Ultra name because when it comes to this particular midsole, it is Ultra Drop, not Ultra Boost. In fact, I'm really disappointed because they got the 4D midsole correct with the 4D Run 1.0 shoe. The 4D midsole on this is amazing. It is comfortable. The cushioning is there. It is an all-around great sneaker. In fact, this is the 4D sneaker that I wear a lot because it is just nice to wear. It feels good. This one is, well, it sucks. The mid part all the way to the forefoot is hard. So when you step on it, you don't get the energy response. You don't get the soft, nice feeling that you're expecting to get because it is, well, it does have the Ultra name. But yeah, that was disappointing. So when it comes to the style part, 2 thumbs up. When it comes to the look part, 10 out of 10. When it comes to overall comfort, I'm merciful at giving it like a 5 out of 10, to be honest. So yeah, me being giddy, me being excited at the start, whew, medyo annoying, frustrating. That was a letdown, to be honest. I was rooting so much for this shoe because I have been a fan of the Ultraboost and I have been rooting for 4D ever since, again, like this came out. In fact, when I wore this shoe and I saw this shoe, I was thinking, hey, if they use the 4D midsole on this shoe and put it on the Ultra 4D, it would be an amazing shoe. That was my expectation. And unfortunately, that wasn't what they delivered. So yeah, just take that with a grain of salt. So I mean, so just make sure to remember that point if you are thinking of buying this particular shoe. In short, if you are looking for comfort more than anything else, you're better off with the Adidas Ultraboost, well, 2019 or 1 to 4.0 models. Or if you really want 4D that's comfortable, you might want to go for the 4D Run 1.0. But if you just want the look of the Ultraboost plus 4D, then this is the shoe to get. In Tagalog, it's like 90% forma, 10% lambot. I'd like to ask you guys, have you ever had that experience? Yung sapatos na you guys were super excited about, you were super hyped about, the buzz was there, you were personally invested in it, you were just so rooting for it, and when you put it on feet, it was just, what the? Diba? What are those sneakers for you? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys on your experience when it comes to sneakers like those. Parang, I don't know, you can call them letdown sneakers or whatnot. So yeah, so that's actually our quick review of the Adidas Ultra 4D. I probably do like a more comprehensive review compared to the other Ultra Boost and maybe the new Vapor Max Flyknit 2020 or the new Ultra Boost that's supposed to come out this year. So watch out for the comparison videos as they arrive in the next few weeks. And before we end the vlog, let me just remind you that we are about to end our double Oswego giveaway. So I am giving away 2 Oswegos. So it's the Pusha T Adidas collaboration. One is size 9.5. The second one is size 11. So if you guys haven't joined the raffle yet, please make sure that you do so. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, and then watch the video. There's a link down below that's labeled Pusha T Adidas Oswego giveaway. Click, watch, follow the instructions. Good luck. Still can't get over the frustration and disappointment that I just felt. I mean, I was really rooting for that shoe. My gosh. My God. Oh my God. But anyway, so that's actually it for your vlog for today. I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you're all positive with life, negative with COVID, and I hope that you're all safe. And as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Happy weekend, everybody. I hope you all had a great week. Peace. God bless. What's up? Kabuisit talaga, nakakaasar. Why Adidas? Why? I love Adidas. I mean, I love the brand. I love the Ultra Boost. Hindi ako makaget over na hindi siya yung gusto kong lambot ng 4D. Lord, why? Hopefully, when Adidas comes up with the Ultra 4D 2.0, they probably would have enhanced the 4D midsole by then. But for now, wala talaga. Ah, man. Hay nako. Okay, tama na. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.